Hey guys, this is Yuvie Gonzalez and I'm taking General Psychology 111. This week we went over our chapter profile, we turned it in, and I actually read my chapter profile in class for extra credit. We also talked about the Shawn Achor video, the positivity of psychology, to have positive affirmations, meditation, gratitude, acts of kindness, and exercise. We were challenged to do the 21-day experience. If you feel like you were abducted by aliens, you're probably just remembering your birth. We went over the scientific method and history of psychology. For the history of psychology, we turned emotions into Greek gods or Chinese horoscopes. James and Ashley in class are dragons in the Chinese astrology, and because Ashley is red-haired, she is attributed as a fiery redhead. But is she? For the history of people, we got into separate groups, and we talked about Rogers, Maslow, Skinner, and Watson, and they each have their own tailored scientific methods. On Thursday, we learned how to turn a 95-word summary into 40 words to make it short and concise. And when you proofread, you want to change the font, that way your brain doesn't compensate. We also learned about Sigmund Freud. He specialized in neurology. When we start speaking to ourselves in the unconscious, we separate sight of others, then we can see what drives and desires. We also watched a video on Eckhart Hess, an experiment in 1970 about men given slides of women, like they watched slides of women pictures. Some had dilated eyes, which triggered their biological sexual arousal or readiness. That was really interesting. And James's way to counter his unconscious behavior was to have an attitude of gratitude. My unconscious behavior is that I react. Some people like getting reactions from others, and I'm learning how to get a hold of my emotions and learn how to take in and process it and deliver without, just being professional. Shout out to Nissa, and Corey. Thank you for helping me with the notes. And this is my furry friend. She also likes doing psychology homework.